a simple calculator. In Python, we have learned many structures like if, print, and many functions as well. So let's have a simple calculator which just shows the signs like multiplication, sum, subtraction, division, and after that you have to choose one of them and you enter the numbers and the program will act upon that. Let's have a statement that will show zero as an operation sign, so let's change the line, will terminate the program. Yes. So this is the statement which when we run the program, it will say that when you enter the 0, the program will be terminated. Let's have after this the actual code. While loop. We use a while loop. While true, this is a boolean. S as input. Let's have the sign, all the signs like plus, minus, multiplication, division, obviously all these signs are included in every simple calculator. That's the first statement. While true, if the condition is true, then run this. Obviously, as a default, the condition is true. So it will run this, and if s is equal to 0, just break. Then if s in this list, let's have each one of them in as a string. So if while condition is true, while this is true, obviously as a default it is true, after that it will run this program. It takes each one sign from them, and if it is 0, the program will be break and it will be so terminated. And if s is in this, it means if s is present among this. So after this, just run this condition. X is equal to, it will be a floating number, input, it will take 2 numbers from the user, then it evaluate that according to the sign which will be given to the program. Now we just have another if statement. If is equal to plus %12, means ignore about other numbers after point x plus y. Obviously it will return the same thing. Elif x is equal to minus print to f x minus y. Let's have another condition is equal to, this is a string, asterisk, just print x multiply y. Let's have another elif. Elif is equal to this, just print the same. X divided by y. If y is not equal to 0, just print this. Let's remove this condition. Elif. If y not equal to 0, just run this, because when it checks this condition, after that it checks this if statement, and if both are true, so it will run this statement. So if this second condition is not true, if this if statement is not true, if elif statement is true and this is not true, then it runs this else statement, just print division by 0. Let's have an else statement to this if. Elif print invalid operation, because if this sign is not entered by the user, if this not enter this or this, so just else print that invalid operation. Let's see the program, and after that I'll explain a little. Let's run this. You just see here that we just enter this minus sign, enter. X is equal to 12 minus 5. Yes, obviously it is 7. And let's run once again. See, multiplication, enter 10, 12, 120.